Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Uwa. If you've been here before, welcome back. Yes, I know it's been a minute guys. I've not been here for so long. However, we are back. Today we are back with a new video showing you guys how I slay my edges. Yes, this is a frontal wig glueless unit from Uwaz Hair. I'm going to show you guys how I do it with the help of this edge slayer by Uwaz. Okay, I'm going to leave the link to this product in the description, so if you guys are interested you can go click the link in the description, and the instruction is at the back as well as all the details in front. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, and also click the bell notification so you are notified whenever I upload my video. Without further rumbling, let's dive into the video. Apologies for my Canon. The Canon is really rough. But I'm going to be laying the edges down first before I put the wig on. And today I'm going to be using the edge slayer by Uwaz. Yes, that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use this to lay your edges and slay. So the first thing I'm going to do is use I'm using this got to be glue. It says glue, but it's like a gel. I can't find my normal regular gel, so I'm just going to use this one, and I'm just going to put that on all my edges. So now that that is all done, I'm just going to take my brush, my handy brush, and just brush everything back. I'm going to take my edge slayer and just lay it on my head. So basically you just lay around your edges and just put it like that. The good thing is this can actually go round. Can you see? It's very stretchy, so it can go as much as you want it to go, and because of the Velcro you just lock it in. This is really tight. If you are laying down your frontal, this is really good to do with, or closure. You can just leave this on for like a few minutes, but I'm going to release it. I'm just showing you guys how you can make it double, but I'm going to release it because it's too tight, because I'm going to leave it on while I do my makeup. It's a bit too tight for me. So you can see I'm gonna leave it like that, so you can stick it here, it stays as well, or if you want, if it's still too tight, you can adjust it. So I'm just gonna leave this on while I do my makeup. Okay guys, I've gone ahead and put my foundation on, and I am going to put my wig on. But before I do that, I just thought I'd show you. I've kept this on like for like 5 minutes now, or roughly not up to 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna take it off so you guys can see. It doesn't leave no marks, nothing. It just leaves it flawless. Okay, can you see that? Can you see that? We're gonna use the same band. I'm gonna put my wig on. It's a frontal wig, and it was made with ventilated cap. I think that's what it's called. Machine made as well. If you're interested in learning how to use your sewing machine to make wig, you can either book a one-to-one class with me or go on my online class. I show you guys how to make a wig using your sewing machine. It's an e-learning. Okay, so I'm just going to use the band and slip it on. Okay, watch. What I'm going to do now is I'm lost for words. Okay, so I'm just putting some mousse on my hair. This is the part that's going to show a lot, so we're going to make sure we're happy with the way this lays before we even use the edge slayer. We just have to make sure that we're happy with this part, because this is the part that is going to show the most. So now you're going to take the edge slayer Okay, the edge slayer is on. So we're going to go ahead and just complete the rest of my makeup, and I'll come back to you guys to show you the finished look or the reveal of the edge layer. Let the miracle work. Okay, I've gone ahead and did the rest of my face. I had this on the whole time, guys. Yes, it's not too tight, it's just comfortable for me. I haven't touched it since. This is how it looks. I've literally just pinned it here and here as well. So you're gonna see me take it out. See, the thing I like about the band, it doesn't leave no marks on your head. Look, there's no marks on my head. I hope you guys can see. Let me come closer. Can you see? There's no mark on my skin. That's one thing I like about this band. It's so nice. Look all the way around. There's no mark. Just that I said here that this wig is completely glueless. It's a frontal wig with no glue. Guys, look at how that lays. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. As you can see, your girl is slaying. Yes, I'm slaying this week, all thanks to the edge slayer. Okay guys, if you haven't got one, click the link in my bio or the link in the description of my bio. The link in the description, I'll link it so you can go get yourself one. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'm giving you the side eye. I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit that subscribe button on your way out and click the bell notification so you are notified whenever I upload new video. I promise. Until next time, see you guys. Bye.